This is a 2007 Peterbilt 335. It has a Cat C7 engine in it and a 10-speed. We bought it brand new from Peterbilt in fall of 2007 and have rented it every day since then. Pete's Diesel takes care of everything on this truck as far as motor, transmission. I even bring it here for brakes. Even some of the stuff I have them do, I can do, but it's faster and more economical for me to have Pete's do it. Sometimes I don't have the time to change something and they can jump on it and get it fixed for me right away. On this truck, they've changed the engine for me, which was a great thing because it's the only truck we have. So they got all the parts ready. We pulled it in, they switched engines for me. I was only down 3-4 days. Where others would say, oh yeah, bring us the truck. They'd tear your engine out and then wait for the new one to get here. So you'd be down 2 weeks.